What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Delamu under sink organizer. In the review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about these, including one thing that you should know before buying. I do want to mention that the brand had reached out to me and asked me if in exchange for a product, I'd be willing to do a review. And I agreed because we need these, and I'll show you why that is in a minute. But that in no way impacts the review I am about to give. So I'm going to show these in a second, fully being used, etc. But I just figured with the good lighting here, I wanted to kind of talk through them. So it comes with, this is 4 pieces. This is actually 1 pack. And it comes with this little, side shelf, this side shelf, right? And then 2 shelves that have the pull-out drawer, okay? Now, in terms of actually assembling these, didn't take me long at all, maybe 10 minutes total for everything. Super simple to assemble. Instructions are good, nothing confusing about that. Surprisingly sturdy. That was actually one thing. I thought this would be kind of cheap plastic. It is not. It's really, when you push on it, I'm pushing on it right now. It moves a little bit, but I was actually a little worried that it would be flimsy and stuff. It absolutely is not. So that's one thing to definitely know about these that I'm really excited about. Other than that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one, we have a his and hers sink in our master. So I'm going to put this one, these 2 on my side and these 2 on my wife's side. So I'll go ahead and set those up real quick. Okay, so I'm just going to show you my side because my wife's side is an absolute disaster. That's what I'm currently dealing with. That's why I wanted this. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up. Okay. So it has been organized, and as you can see, it is a different world under my sink. Thank goodness. Those are pretty heavy, no bend at all. These are pretty heavy, no bend at all there either. So obviously it organized. Now, if you're wondering, I found one other benefit to this. I didn't know how much duplicates I have. For instance, I have enough floss for an army. I didn't know that because it was all kind of buried in there. So yeah, this does a really, really good job of organizing. Super sturdy, no problems there. Now, in terms of the one thing to know, so this is actually important. So they have these little clips right here, okay? And they have these little holes right here. And it called for me to insert those little clips into those holes. And I thought, well, I don't know why they really do it. I'm kind of realizing it. I think the reason why they do that is to have stability in these shelves. So you definitely don't want to skip that part. It's easy to do, but it's like, why am I putting these little things in these holes? Don't skip that part. That is actually a big thing. And I'm pretty sure it's for stability. The other thing, which I find kind of weird, they give you these clips. They gave me more of these clips to hang stuff. I don't know what I would hang on them. I put 3 on there, but I don't really know what I would hang on them. But regardless, I love the fact that it comes in 2 pieces. So it's flexible, versatile. I can do whatever I want. And yeah, the results speak for themselves, guys. Although I do have a small pharmacy here, or whatever you want to call it, under my sink, it does look so much better with this. So highly recommend if you're considering it. Definitely recommend this product. Absolutely love it.